Discover our state-of-the-art electrical training board, meticulously designed to teach students precise techniques using ohm meters, ammeters, and voltmeters. This board not only covers fundamental Ohm's law calculations but also guides students through wiring circuits and comparing their measurements for accuracy. Crafted to meet FAA standards for aircraft maintenance education, our board is ideal for any basic electrical wiring course. It aligns seamlessly with the new FAA Part 147 ACS manual, addressing essential skills such as voltage, current, resistance measurement, and testing switches, relays, fuses, and circuit breakers. Our board supports both individual and collaborative learning, accommodating self-paced study while enabling easy instructor oversight. It features modules for low and high resistors, a light module, and a variety of switches, all easily wired without tools using innovative spring attachments. Each board includes a comprehensive project booklet and a multi-page answer sheet. Students start with resistor color code exercises using large 2-watt resistors for clear visual reference. Students progress to calculating and wiring series, parallel, and complex resistor circuits, with checkpoints for instructor validation. They measure volts and amps, correlating results with their calculations, and practice wiring lamp circuits with different switch types, introducing and observing shorts and opens. Typically completed in about 9 classroom hours, the project's flexibility allows instructors to tailor the duration as needed. An optional practical exam ensures compliance with FAA requirements at the project's conclusion. Educational aids include a project booklet, answer sheets, instructor key, and all materials on a convenient flash drive in Word format for easy customization. Please note, an ohm meter and external power source are required but not included. Built for durability with replaceable parts, our boards are designed for longevity. A set of 12 boards will accommodate a class of 24 students. Less boards can be used by rotating students with other projects. For more information on our electrical training boards, including details on our 24 available models, visit our website or contact us directly at info@aviationtrainingfoundation.com.